You have a MySQL database that you want to migrate over to Railway. In this example, I have a remote MySQL database with a few tables and data inside of it, and we'll explore how to dump this database and migrate it over to Railway in a few easy steps. The first step would be to create a MySQL database dump. I will be using a free open source logical backup tool called MyDumper. To install it on macOS, you can install it using the homebrew command brew install MyDumper. Otherwise, you can find instructions on how to install it on Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu, Debian, or FreeBSD, and there is also a guide on how to build MyDumper in the GitHub repository. Let's create a directory named MyDumps and navigate into it. Using MyDumper with -h to specify the host, -u to specify user, -a to ask for password, -database to specify the database name, and finally -o to specify the output directory. Then entering our password, we can create a MyDumper MySQL dump. After this process has finished, we can list the items inside of the directory, and we can see that it has all of the table schemas and raw data. Let's create a tar gzip archive using the following command. We can create a new file called backup.tar.gz that includes the contents inside of the classic models folder. The second and last step would be restoring your MySQL database using a free tool called SimpleRestore.io. All you need to do is just go to Simple Restore, no sign up needed. Go to your Railway dashboard, create a new MySQL database, then click on the MySQL database, select the Connect tab, and copy your MySQL URL. Right after that, select your archive on SimpleRestore.io. We'll be selecting the archive that we've just created, and paste in your connection string or MySQL URL. Click on Restore, wait for it to connect, and it will start the process of restoring your database. This will go ahead and restore all of your schema files first, create the tables, and then begin restoring the data files. Simple Restore is a really easy way to restore your backups. It's free, no nonsense, and doesn't log any data or keep any of your files. As you can see, once the data have been restored, you can see all of the tables and all of the data that have been restored. So that's really it. All you need to do is use MyDumper, create a tar archive, and upload it to your database using Simple Restore. If you are in the market for a backup automation tool, check out SimpleBackups.com. It's a user-friendly way to automate your server, database, and cloud storage backups. You can create custom retention rules and schedules, and you can choose from a dozen of storage options. Check out SimpleBackups.com for a free 7-day trial. No credit card required. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.